What is going on, my dudes? I am going to be showing you a super cool trick for how you can make phone calls on your Galaxy Z Flip 6 cover screen. Now, to make this happen, you need to open your phone up. You want to go into your settings, then you want to click on the cover screen option. Now, when you go in here, you're going to see the widget option. So this is what you want to click on. And when you do that, you're going to see an option that says direct dial. Now, what you want to do is just check mark this to on. And what we want to do now is go back to our cover screen, and we want to hold down on it, and we want to slide all the way over to the right. Now, when we slide all the way over to the right, we see the little plus icon. So click that. And now we're going to look for the widget that we just, added in our settings, and you're going to see it's right here. So basically, it should have like a little call icon next to it, and then we're going to click on it. And right now it says any calls you make or receive will appear here, but in the top right hand corner of this, you got the little dial button, and this is where you can start, dialing in your numbers and making your phone call straight from the cover screen. I mean, how cool is this, guys? You don't even have to open your phone to make phone calls. You just have it in flip mode. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tip. I'd also like to point out that you can all get on our tech newsletter, where we send out one email a week on only the good stuff directly below in the description. As always, thanks for watching this, guys, and we'll see y'all in the next video.